Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy blockchain technology with Accenture, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy blockchain technology with Accenture, start by understanding your business objectives. Identify the specific problem you aim to solve with blockchain. Engage stakeholders to gather insights and align on goals. Research various blockchain platforms to determine which best suits your needs. Consider factors such as scalability, security, and compatibility. Choose between public, private, or consortium blockchain models based on your requirements. Set up a cross-functional team that includes IT, business analysts, and legal experts. Collaborate with Accenture to leverage their expertise and resources in blockchain deployment. Conduct a feasibility study to evaluate the technical and operational aspects of your project. Design a proof of concept to validate your blockchain application idea. Utilize Accenture's tools and frameworks to build the prototype efficiently. Test the proof of concept thoroughly to identify any potential issues. Gather feedback from stakeholders to iterate on the design. Develop a comprehensive implementation plan outlining timelines and resources. Ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements in your industry. Set up training sessions for your team to understand blockchain technology. Launch the full-scale blockchain solution once testing is complete. Monitor the deployment closely to address any challenges. Gather metrics and performance data to measure the impact of the solution. Continuously iterate and improve the system based on user feedback and evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.